Nisambol Vinaka. Welcome to our BI304 documentary video on Fiji Crested Iguana. Our group members consists of Joel Krishna, Kunal Matthews, Keleti Tikatani, Richeli Kurwale, Asil Ram, and Krith Kumar. The Fiji crested iguana is a critically endangered species that is native of the northwestern islands of the Fiji Islands. It is found on dry forest on the Yandua Tamba, Yandua, Madawata, Yanguanga, Devuilau, Malolo, Monu, and Moturiki. The succession of the Fiji crested iguana on the Yandua Island has made it become a symbol of biodiversity conservation in Fiji. Its population is about 13,000, with 12,000 occurring on 70 hectares of land on the Yandua Tamba alone, and then the remaining 1,000 in total are scattered among the 14 other islands. It can grow up to the length of 31.5 inches, being measured from the snout to the tail. These iguanas can weigh up to 0.4 kg. The unique features of this iguana is that it has three narrow cream to white colored bands on males, rather than the broader bluish bands of the later species. These whitish bands often have chevrons of black scales close to them. The iguana were discovered by Dr. John Gibbets while screening the movie The Blue Lagoon and taking shots of the native on a remote island. And since he was studying Fiji-bearded iguana at that time, he traveled to the island, identified the lizard in the film as a new species. Produced by laying eggs, and its breeding season are between March and April, with courtship and mating commencing in January, during which time the female guards the nest, and after the rainy season, the hatchlings break through their leathery shells. Their predators are goats, feral cats, bushfires, habitat loss through land degradation and fragmentation. Species Action Plan is being created in order to conserve the production of endangered species such as the Fiji crested iguana. This focuses on predator control and habitat protection. Another method for conservation is reforestation. Lastly, majority of the Fijians are terrified of the iguana because of its behavior when threatened. Therefore, the targeted audience of this video would be a wide range of people, such as the general public, people who work for biosecurity, and students who take science, particularly biology in high school and in universities. That is all from our side. Hope that you've enjoyed the video and hope that you've learned something as well. For now, take care, stay blessed, and stay safe.